Hey everyone, and welcome to this video on Kruskal's algorithm. Suppose you have a graph with weighted edges like this one. Then Kruskal's algorithm builds a minimum spanning tree. The minimum spanning tree is by definition a subset of edges that connects all vertices and has minimal weight and is without any cycles. In real life, this algorithm can, for example, be applied to optimally lay cable in a new neighborhood. The algorithm consists of a couple of simple steps that we will see in an example. The first step is to sort all edges in increasing order of weight. Afterwards, we will always select the edge with the lowest weight and add it to the MST if it does not create a cycle. We are going to repeat this until we have the number of vertices minus 1 edges in the MST. So let's start with the example by sorting all the edges in increasing order of weight. The edge EF has the lowest weight with weight 1, followed by DF and AB with weight 2, then CF with weight 3, CE with weight 4, DE with weight 5, BD with weight 6, BE with 7, and AD with 8. This already concludes the first step, and now we can use our list to always select the edge with the lowest weight and add it to the MST. So we're going to start with the EF, we're adding it to the MST, we are also adding DF to the MST, we're adding AB to the MST, we're adding CF to the MST, and now for the first time, something more interesting happens because adding CE would create a cycle in this graph. And we don't want any cycles, so we will drop CE. We're going to the next edge, DE. And this would also create a cycle with the vertices DE and F. So we are also going to drop this edge and never include it in the minimum spanning tree. The next edge, BD, will be added because no cycle is created. And now, if we remember step 4, we wanted to repeat steps 2 and 3 until we have the number of vertices minus 1 edges in the MST. Currently, we have 6 vertices. So we want 5 edges, and we already have 5 edges, so Kruskal's algorithm is finished in this case. Now we can also calculate the weight of the MST by just adding the weight of all the edges included in it, and this will give us 14. I hope you enjoyed this video, you learned something, and if so, please like it and subscribe for more computer science content.